Wow, that's good.
This? Oh, this is Cool Beans Coffee. Oh, first ride of the day. Someone named Brooke probably doesn't own katanas. Yet. All right, time to spread caffeine and chaos across Medina. Let's see what kind of trouble a guy in red spandex can get into before lunch. Superhero landing. Nailed it. This is my Deadpool Dodge Avenger. She's got heated seats and smells like cool beans and regret. Just like me. Now let's get this bread. Buckle up, Medina. Daddy's working for 5 stars today. You must be Brooke. Where to?
Cool Beans, the one in Brunswick.
Excellent choice.
Do you actually drink coffee through that mask?
Oh yeah, built-in straw holes. Patent pending. Don't tell the guy upstairs. He thinks it's just for breathing. You see this, Cool Beans? Product placement and child-friendly humor. That's called range. Oh, Logan. Oh no, not that Logan. Oh, the sage just went from medium roast to full dark roast. All right, buckle up, kid. We're picking up trouble.
This kind of girl needs romance.
Who's this?
I'm Brooke. We're going through the drive-thru.
No, Cool Beans in Medina. None of that drive-thru nonsense.
Can we just go?
Fine, drive-thru it is.
3 orders of happiness and liquid life, please. And maybe throw in a napkin the size of my emotional baggage. Careful, it's hot. We're gonna need another one of these, please.
Absolutely.
And make it a claw-proof edition this time.
Here you go.
Oh, yep, there it is. There it is. Oh,
Saddle up and dance.
Logan, you're ruining my seats.
Kid, next time, just walk.
Baby, take a chance.